Hi, Judd here. Just a quick little amendment to my last cooking video. It's supper time now. This is the next day, or the evening of the morning. Wow. That was like 12 hours ago. Okay, anyways, I'm getting ready for supper, and I'm thinking I've nibbled on the goodies a little bit during the day. You know, I had a carrot, had a piece of potato, had another piece of potato, had another carrot, had a little bit of meat. Anyways, it's come supper time, and I'm deciding what to do. And this is what I'm going to do. I carved off a few slices of this, which didn't come off with big slices, but little bits. And you can see it looks pretty damn good. And then a bunch of carrots, and then some potatoes. Now the potatoes I wanted to cook some more, so I'm going to wrap these two items in the foil so they'll just heat up and not get burned. But the potatoes I want to get burned, or more cooked. And so we'll see how that comes out. So that's going to be my dinner tonight. So there's the two items wrapped up in the foil, sitting beside the potatoes. Oven's all heated up, and I'm thinking 20 minutes at 350. Okay, so we'll throw this in here, and hopefully we'll have a good dinner in a half an hour. And here we go. Looks pretty good to me. Well, that was sure good. Happy day to you.